Ayan. Ang gulo ni Dexa. Ayan, so gagawa kami ng macaroni, guys. So naalala ko pala, meron pala kaming kailangang i-unbox. Ayan, so binili namin to sa Salad Master. Wala silang gagamitin for mixing this one. Aka na. Salad Master, thank you!
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Go ahead, guys.
Oh, it's the whole
Unbox.
box, right?
Another box.
No, it's like the it's a full like, and it's like really big.
Okay.
It's like, wait.
Sige. Ano niya?
Spicy time.
Pag ganyan na lang. Ayan, kasi tanggalin natin tong brown na box na to. So, eto is unboxing this Salad Master. Wala nga siya. Actually, wala. This is the knife only, guys. Sorry about that. Anyway, unbox na natin tong knife na to.
Alright.
Yeah. So, ito siya. Ganito ang itsura niya. Kompleto ng kusina.
Yeah.
Ayan na, ayan na. Wow! Naku, solid talaga to. Diyan na, ipepesto ulit dito, oh. Dito ulit pepesto. Madadagdagan ang laman nito, Daddy. Dito, banda. Ayan, ang itsura niya. Wow!
Where are the knives?
Oh, there's
Yan. Ito yung box lang niya. Laki ng box. So, ito yung mga knife.
the wrong thing.
Okay. So, wala pala yun. So, sorry about that. Yan. So, we will ask yung tatlo na yun na I think that one is baking set. Wow! So, yan.
Next, you're already opening.
Oh, we got a label.
Yeah. Ang cute. Oh, may nakalagay na ganyan.
Okay. Keep that.
Yan. So, ang ganda nito kasi ito sabi ko pang matagalan na to sa
Let me
atin.
get the knife.
Sige, ilagay ni Dexy yung mga knife. Yan.
Okay, first knife. I don't know what type of knife. Daddy, what type of knife is this? Oh, this isn't a knife.
Oh, hindi ata knife yun. I no, I think here.
Guys, I don't know my knives.
So, how many knife siya kung sakali? How many,
Oh my God,
Daddy?
is it-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 pieces. Yan.
There or here.
Yeah, try. Yeah. So, naka-individually wrap siya.
Sharpening.
Ayan. Oh, may sharpening siya.
Oh,
Sarili.
Daddy, here, read this.
Yeah, that's yours, Daddy.
That's your birthday. Oh, we should have opened this on your birthday.
This is my birthday gift.
No, just joking.
Ayan daw. Ayaw ni Daddy nyo. Ayan, so, oh, nakasealed talaga siya, oh. Eto din, nakasealed din. Ayan, tapos meron pa siyang dulo. Ayan. Wow. Ito, ay, kay Daddy mo, huwag ganun, ah. Huwag mo hawakan yung blade, anak ko.
Oh, we
Delikado.
have to peel it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oopsies.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh.
Daddy, I'm scared to remove
Grabe, ang ganda ng
Bread knife?
Salad Master na to. Yeah. Oh, is that a bread knife?
Yeah.
Oh, really? That's a bread knife? Ang laki namang bread knife yan. Okay, the last one, I think that one. I know, mayroon pang isa. There. Oh, careful with your hands, guys. And then the last one. Ayan. So, malaki to. Daddy, ito yung gusto natin, eh, no? Asan yung katulad nun?
Daddy, I'm scared.
Yeah, that's a Salad Master din. Pero yun nga, maliit nga lang. So, saan yung katulad nito dyan? Wala? So, wala pala to. Wala siyang katulad. So,
Wait,
tingnan
this is
mo.
also salad master?
Yeah, that's a Salad Master too. But I think that one doesn't have the one that has a Salad Master like this, Daddy.
Logo.
Oo, the logo. Ayan, oh, meron siyang logo.
It's
Oo.
either that or washed off.
No. Hindi siya... Ha? Sale? Sale ba yan?
Yeah, somebody give me.
Wow. Okay.
Give me money.
Okay, so yan lang ang vlog namin. So we will do our macaroni without that mixing. Kalimutan siguro ni ano ibigay sa atin. Anyway, ito din ay parang kasama sa aming binili. Ito din ang what do you call this one, Dexy? Oven mint. Yan. Ang ingay ni Dexa. Ang gulo. $1 daw. At saka ano pa ba yung isa niya na binigay?
Tomato.
Ayan. So para saan to?
Scoop out soup.
So, ayan, sa
Oh my God, they're
soup.
breathing at the
Yeah, that's so nice. Right? Uy, ito yung pang soup natin. Tama, Dad. For our shabu-shabu kasi pwede mong iganyan. Ano? Yeah. Thank you. So, shout out kay Ruben. So, siya yung aming salad master agent. Thank you for accommodating our order. Ayan. So, yan ang salad master knife namin. Okay?
Robin Hood.
Okay, let's do the macaroni, guys.